What is up, guys? Right behind me is a Subaru BRZ, and I want to know if you would choose this over a GR86. Trick question, it's the same car. Except this looks a little different and it's a little nicer. You have a different front grille, you can have different headlights, and I want to say you have different wheels, but I'm pretty sure they're the same. Under the hood, you actually have a Subaru Boxer engine, but it has Toyota's direct injection system. It makes 228 horsepower, which may not seem like a lot, but this car is really light. It's also rear-wheel drive with a limited slip diff, so it's pretty fun. In the back, you get this integrated deck lid spoiler. I have these really cool-looking taillights, and my exhaust sounds like a Subaru Boxer. Inside, I get these super supportive bucket seats that are actually heated. I get a track mode, 6-speed manual, a touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I have a digital display, manual handbrake, and hidden cup holders for my G Fuel, which I don't have today, but you can still use my code BURNOUT for 30% off. So whether you choose a BRZ or a GR86, you really can't go wrong because they're both fun to drive.